I'm priming my eyes with my concealer. I kind of already primed them, but I didn't set it immediately, so I'm just going back over it with my fingers. Oh wait, I didn't do like a hi guys, because I'm not doing an intro for this. Hi guys. Hi guys. As the title of the video would have suggested, we are doing a everyday look. What? Not even an everyday look. We're doing a Valentine's Day look. I honestly don't know what we're doing. I just know it's a Valentine's Day look and that I don't want it dramatic. I want it like a easy wear kind of thing. I want like, it shouldn't be hard. I'm all over the place right now, I'm sorry. I am winging this entire look. I have no clue what I'm gonna do, so this should be interesting. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here as my transition shade. And I'm kind of blending it in right here a little bit, just a little bit. And I'm also putting some of this color on the outer part of my eye, the outer third of my eye, just a little bit. Guys, I literally just realized that I didn't take out any lid brush. And I'm honestly too lazy to go and get one, so I'm just gonna use what I have out here. Alright, I'm now going in with this shade right here. I'm gonna put that in the 2/3 of my eye. Ooh, it's pigmented. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Then I'm going to go in with the shade beside it. And I'm going to put that on the inner third of my eye. Brighten it up a little bit. Then I'm going to go back in with that first brush and blend it out, those colors. And then I'm going to go back in with that transition shade and further blend it. Then I'm going to go in the Naked palette and I'm going to take Sidecar. I'm going to put that all over my lid because, I don't know, I'm not really feeling this pink. I'm just gonna... I'm gonna go back in with that transition shade and blend. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with this grayish brown color and I'm gonna go in on my crease with that. I want to pull the cool toneness. Okay, so for right now, I think I'm just gonna move on to the face because I'm not really liking the eyes. I think it's because it's pink. I'm not really a pink eyeshadow kind of girl. So we're gonna move on to eyes, and hopefully when the face starts coming together, I like it more. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. So I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting because it's almost that time of the month for me, so I'm breaking out. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth, and I'm using the shade 330. That's toffee. I don't know, I'm just not really loving how this foundation is sitting on my skin. And it doesn't normally look like this, but I don't know. I'm gonna conceal with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm using the shade, I'm not in the shade, but I'm using the shade Warm Honey. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bake, and I'm using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder in Buttercup Lights. And now I'm gonna dust the bakage away and set the rest of my face. Alright, now I'm gonna take the IT Cosmetics Live Love Laugh Vitality Face Disc, and I'm gonna be taking the blush right there and blushing at my face. I'm gonna take the bronzing shade from the palette. I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna have to block you guys, I'm sorry. Now I'm going to go in with my all-time favorites, Wet n Wild for the collection. What is this again? Shimmer palette. This is what it looks like. It doesn't look well loved, but it's well loved. I've had this for quite a while, so love it. Now to come back to the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the first shade that we used, that transition shade. And then I'm gonna take this shade right here and a flat eyeliner brush, an angled brush, sorry, and just tight line a bit, not tight line, put that right up against my lash line, my lower lash line. And I'm also gonna put that on the outer third of my lash line. I feel like I need a little bit more blush, so I'm gonna add some more blush. And then I'm just going to take a clean brush and just swoop over all of this. And I'm just going to cut my contour. Now I'm going to put on some mascara. Okay, so I put on some lashes and I put in my hair, and it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I mean, granted, my lashes just are giving me hell, but whatever. I'm gonna move into highlighting the face, and I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild highlighter. I remember the shade for this because I tore it off. I'm gonna be using this one. What's in my nail? Ugh. Eyeliner got in my nail. And of course for me it's not enough, so I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant palette, and I'm going to be going in with the top shade right here. I'm gonna go in with my blush brush and just kind of mesh everything a little bit. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna be taking this brown lip liner. And I'm taking this Rimmel liquid lip in Atomic Rose. And then I'm gonna take this Mary Kay lip gloss in Au Natural. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. At first I didn't like it because I'm really and truly not a pink person, but you know, it looks cute, and the foundation has settled into my skin a bit better. Still not the best, not what I'm used to because I've used this foundation so many times, but I guess it's just my skin is just going through a little phase. But yeah, I really like the way it turned out. It wasn't too bad. What I don't understand is how I moved from this soft, easy Valentine's Day look to this like full glam. I don't know, it just happens. Anyways, if you enjoyed the watch, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you're not quite convinced, head on over to my channel and check out some of my other videos, and maybe you'll feel persuaded to subscribe. Thank you so much once again for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye! Cappuccino. Oh, she's so cute.